Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, what we need to do is we need to return a tuple of simple interest and then the final amount. Okay, so we know the formula for simple interest is principal into rate into time divide by 100, right? So what we can do is this is to return directly, and we know the thing is principal into uh, rate into time, right? That's like the thingy. And divide by 100, right? That comes out to something. So perhaps the best idea would be just to use one extra variable for this purpose. All right, so maybe interest equals to this thing, right? So that would give out the interest, and we need to print the interest, and the other thing will be principal, PRINCI, principal into, I mean, plus interest, right? Interest, because we need the interest at the first, and the second should be principal plus interest, right? Let's run the code. Should work, in my opinion. Okay, great. Is there any? I don't think there will be any uh, two different solution, right? So which is it looks something similar, yeah, pretty much, right? Yeah, so that's how we solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.